Hey guys, I'm doing a full detailed clip-in extension review using Amazing Beauty Hair 18-inch Kinky Straight Natural Black clip-ins. I have 2 packs that each hold 7 pieces or 100 grams per set. And a keynote, 1 pack is fine if you want to add some volume, but 2 packs will give you that full done-up look. My real hair has been washed and lightly blown out with my Rev Air dryer to match the clip-ins. I use my fingertips to roughly part my hair. The first clip-in gets applied to the mid-back section, and I'm starting with the 3-part clip first. I already know I'm going for a full look, so the majority of the extensions will be applied to the middle back section of my head and to the left and right section. Now, if you don't know, I've been using clip-ins for a while, so I know my key points to place them. Always apply them from the left all the way to the right, or the right all the way to the left, whichever one is easier for you, but always making sure you evenly apply them from the left, middle, and right section of your head. Go ahead and use a comb to section your hair, but I like to use my fingertips as it gives a more natural look because you never know. The wind can blow the wrong way and you're not going to see my tracks. A lady could be trying to peep and try to see my tracks, but she ain't gonna find it like Waldo, period. Once you get to the top, don't apply the clip-ins too close to your hairline and not too close to the parting. So in my case, I got my middle part, so I'll leave enough room from my real hair to the extension. When I'm done, I like to run my hand over just to feel for any lumps or any tracks are not sitting right and remove it from my head. So for this whole style, I used 13 clips out of the 14. When you place your clip-ins in the right spot, you get that nice, full, natural look from roots all the way down to the ends. Usually, I will leave the whole natural blowout look, but to spice things up, I'm going to add some curls to it. And also make sure to use a brush or a comb when you're done just to blend the hair more better. I'm using my curling wand to add some loose natural looking curls. And it is given what it's supposed to be given. My hairstyle lasted for 2 days straight. So, yes, I kept in my extensions overnight, just held up in a loose ponytail. Went out the next day, and by the time I came home, I took it out. So, that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye!